Jay Blake, we want to thank you for working that gate for us down there. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah,
That's my girl.
Voila.
I'd rather go to the
I want to ride.
Okay, you can open it.
You can't open it? Are you kidding me?
Hello.
You guys want some barbecue
Yeah.
shit? Yeah, no.
Go, Noel!
I was calling earlier because I was going to make sure
Open it?
I already opened it.
Go, 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 go!
Noel, your time and the new fast time of the day, a 17.760.